Hello friends, today we have come with the new video. The topic for it is rational number. But rational number is a very big topic, so we have further divided it in many videos. So the first video is coming on the name of natural numbers. So let us see now what is natural numbers. I hope whenever you start counting in your house how many pair of clothes you have, how many members are there, how many buses are around, how many vehicles are there. So keeping all that things in mind, you have to start everything from counting, and your counting start from 1 and it keeps on going. When you play, you go in the ground, you play cricket, that time you count runs. You start with 1 2 3 4. Your class teacher give to you roll numbers 1 2 3 4. When you have to total up the marks for your exam paper, you add them, start with 1 2 3 4. So all this counting number comes under natural numbers. As you start counting and it can go till unlimited, you can, all that number will come under natural numbers. Now since we know what is natural numbers, we can have lots of example around us. You might be having in your house lots of furnitures. You can count them, it will be come under natural number. You can count the members of your house, that will give you natural number. When you come on the road, you count the number of vehicles, count the number of shops, all that are the examples of your natural number. Now let us know some more properties of natural numbers. What else we can do? And that is possible when we apply operators in the natural number. Now what do you mean by operators here? The operators could be plus, means when we add the two number, what happens? Subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us begin with first as addition. We will choose two number and check what we get. So whenever we take the any two natural number, let us take for example 10 and 20. I add them, it becomes 30. Is 30 a natural number? Yes. Similarly, I have given you examples here. 4 and 5. When I add them, I get 9. So is that a natural number? Yes. 7 plus 10, 17, a natural number. 13 plus 50 give to you 63, which also belongs to a natural number. So what we can say, whenever we add two natural number, the result what we get, it is also a natural number. Let us see something else. The next one, we can go for subtraction. Means what? I will take the two natural number and find out difference. When I say difference, means always I subtract smaller number from the greater number. Difference for finding out. Clear? So when we are finding out difference, it will always be natural number. But when I subtract a number from the other number, then what we get? See by example. 4 minus 5 minus 1. But 5 minus 4 plus 1. 7 minus 10 minus 3. But 10 minus 7 plus 3. 13 minus 5, 7. Means you are not getting all the time natural number as a result. Sometime you are getting natural number and sometime you are not. So that we will see next time. Only by now we can say that in subtraction, when we subtract a number from the other, the result need not to be a natural number. Clear? Let us go for one more operator, multiplication. Multiplication, you know, the table comes under multiplication. So 2 4 times 8. Wow, both are, all the three numbers are natural number. Let us see few more examples. We have 4 into 5, 25. 4 into 5, 20, sorry. We have 7 into 10, 70. We have 13 into 50, 650. So all these, whatever the result it is giving to us, all are natural number. So what we can say, whenever we multiply two natural numbers, the result or the product what we get will always be a natural number. Either you multiply 4 into 5, it will give you 20, or you multiply 5 into 4, both the way it will give you 20. 7 same way, 7 into 10, 70, or 10 into 7 also will give you 70. Why we are doing so? Because we have seen in subtraction, when we find out difference between the two numbers, sometime it was coming addition and sometime it was coming minus. Clear? So whenever you multiply any two numbers, it always give you result as plus. Let us go for next operator. So we have division. Division means what? We divide one number by the other. So what happens here? When we multiply a bigger number, that is 10 divided by 5, we are getting 2. 7 divided by 10, we are getting 0.7, which is not a natural number, not a counting number. Do you count any number by 0.7, 0.5, 0.3? No. So it is not a natural number. 150 divided by 50 will give you 3, which is natural number. That means in division also you need not to get all the time a number divided by other as a natural number. My dear student, it means we cannot get all the operators fulfilled in our natural numbers. Clear? So let us see what are the things we have got from this slide. So whenever we add the two number, the result is a natural number. Let us find out difference. The difference of two natural number is not necessary to be natural numbers. Then multiplication, whenever we are multiplying two natural number, the result whatever we have got, that is also comes as a natural numbers. Division, any two divisions, any two numbers, natural numbers, when we divide, the result need not to be a natural numbers. That's what we can conclude. Subtraction and the division operation in your natural number is not completely fulfilled. Means the result you are not getting as a natural number. And therefore our brain started working. We started doing more and more research, and after that we found a new type of numbers, that is called as whole number was created. My dear friend, I hope it is very clear by now what are the natural numbers and what are the operators result in a natural numbers. So we will see you about whole numbers in the next video. Be safe, remain at home in this pandemic. Also, if you like the video, please like it and share with your friends.